My name's Ben. I'm 16 years old, and ever since I was little, I've loved taking things apart, putting them back together, and figuring out how they work. As I grew older, I fell in love with solar panels. I noticed their big leaps on a corporate scale, but also that they weren't being utilized in everyday products. That's why I launched SolarWave, a company built to better integrate solar panels into everyday life. The umbrella is just the beginning. Thank you so much for joining me in my journey.